What's the meaning of Buckingham Palace? Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace.
Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace is the official residence and administrative headquarters of the monarch of the United Kingdom. It is located in the city of Westminster and is one of the most famous landmarks in London. The palace was originally known as Buckingham House, built in 1703 for the Duke of Buckingham. In 1761, it was acquired by King George III as a private residence for Queen Charlotte and became known as the Queen's House. Today, the palace is used for state occasions and royal hospitality, as well as housing the offices and staff of the royal household.